In the dawn of life, the earth awoke, teeming with possibilities yet unseen. Rivers carved their path, shaping the land and guiding life along their waters. Along these waters, life flourished, delicate yet resilient, in harmony with the land. In the quiet of the dawn, the first mammals ventured out, exploring a world still young and untamed. As the earth changed, giants roamed, shaping the land and the skies above them. Hunters emerged, swift and cunning, learning the art of survival in this primeval world. The hunted remained vigilant, every movement a dance with danger along the river's edge. From the shadows, a silent hunter watches, muscles coiled, waiting for the perfect moment. Every movement is watched. Survival depends on speed and instinct. Predators arrive without warning, shaking the very earth beneath. In the face of danger, even the swiftest must flee. The hunter waits patiently, every movement measured and precise. Nature's drama unfolds quietly, life and death balanced on a razor's edge. A sudden threat sends ripples of panic through the herd, survival instincts taking hold. Even the young feel the weight of danger, caught between fear and instinct. Courage triumphs over fear as the young take their first leap into the unknown. Every challenge tests their resolve, yet the will to survive drives them forward. At last, perseverance brings reunion, a triumph over nature's trials. In nature's embrace, bonds are renewed and life endures. As the day wanes, the world holds its breath, embracing the calm of survival. Above, the skies are ruled by masters of the air, untouched and free. On the ground, giants of the land feed, unaware of the skies above. In the shadows, hunters move with cunning precision. Meanwhile, giants row unaware, the calm before a storm. A whisper of wind warns the innocent, stirring a silent fear. But in the shadows, danger stirs, patient and watchful. Instinct drives them forward, united in silent vigilance. Even the smallest among them learns resilience in a world of giants. Even giants must pause to face nature's gentle tests. In this ancient world, life marches onward, resilient and enduring.